Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your T-Mobile SIM card step by step clearly. Make sure your phone is compatible with T-Mobile and is unlocked if you bought it from another carrier. Find your T-Mobile SIM card and keep the SIM packaging because it may include important numbers like the exit. Turn off your phone completely to avoid SIM detection issues during installation. Locate the SIM tray on the side of your phone or the SIM slot under the back cover on some models. Use the SIM eject tool or a small paper clip to gently open the SIM tray if your phone has a tray. Place the T-Mobile SIM into the tray in the correct orientation by matching the corner cut. Insert the SIM tray back into the phone carefully and make sure it is fully seated. Turn your phone back on and wait for it to detect the new SIM card. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network so activation can complete faster and more reliably. If you are a new customer, open a browser and go to T-Mobile's official activation page or use the T-Mobile app. Choose the option to activate a new SIM or start a new line, depending on what you purchased. Enter the SIM card number or exit if the website or app asks for it. Enter your account details if you already have a T-Mobile account, or create one if you do not. If you are transferring a number, select Number Transfer and provide the previous carrier account number and transfer PIN. Double-check the name, address, and billing information to avoid activation delays. Confirm the plan you want and make sure it matches your needs for data, calls, and messages. Submit the activation request and wait for the confirmation message on the screen. After activation, restart your phone once more to refresh the network connection. When the phone turns on, check the signal bars and confirm you see T-Mobile or a similar network label. Make a test phone call to any number to verify that outgoing calls work. Send a test text message to confirm SMS is active on your line. Turn off Wi-Fi for a moment and open a website to confirm mobile data is working. If mobile data does not work, go to Settings, then Cellular or Mobile Data, and make sure it is enabled. If you still have no data, check the APN settings and select the default T-Mobile APN if available. If your phone shows no service, toggle airplane mode on for 10 seconds and then turn it off. If activation is stuck, remove the SIM, reinsert it, and restart the phone again. For persistent issues, contact T-Mobile support through the app, website chat, or by dialing 611 from your T-Mobile phone. Once everything works, save your account login details and keep your SIM information in a safe place. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.